The Sounds of Japan. Hi everyone, welcome to the Sounds of Japan. I am Shin, DJ tour guide and your buddy on this adventure tour Japan. This channel is all about Japan. As a tour guide, I'll be bringing you hot rocking story, my personal experience inside of it, and all the coolest info about Japan. So turn up the volume and stay with me till the end. Hey, what up? Okay, quick question to kick things off. Do you like karaoke? I mean, come on, who doesn't love hearing? I mean, singing your heart out into a mic, right? Believe it or not, karaoke actually started right here in Japan in the early 1970s, and now it's everywhere. For students, it's the go-to after school. For adults, it's that sacred post-drinking ritual. Classic. Now let me tell you about one of the karaoke tour stories. Yes, I actually run karaoke tours. One day, I had a solo participant, a gentleman from California. We met at a station, and I kid you not, this guy looked like a classy 40 or something gentleman out of the fashion magazine. He told me he'd always been fascinated by Japanese karaoke culture, and that's why he signed up. Okay, why not? Now, for those of you who don't know, Japanese karaoke is usually done in a private room. You get your own little world, just you, your mic, your song, and zero judgment. Whether you are vocal, good, or tone deaf like a dining seal, it doesn't matter. It's your stage. So anyway, my Californian friend started out all quiet and polite, singing American ballads like his own The Voice. Super chill vibes. I matched his mood, trying to keep it classy. But then, as we got chatting, more found out plot twist. His handle is anime otaku. And boom! It was like they transformed into a completely different person. The calm, stylish, gentle, gone. He went to full Super Saiyan on the market, singing anime song at full power. Evangelion, Dragon Ball, Hokuto no Ken, Saint Seiya, you name it. The guy was possessed by the spirit of every anime protagonist ever. I was like, wow, sure, are you okay? And guess what? I still have the audio from that night. Wanna hear it? Alright, let's roll the tape. But don't say I didn't want you. Okay, let's be real. I was way crazier than the guest. Who gave me the mic? Karaoke equal best story therapy. Go sing, people. In this corner, I pick up interesting article about Japan, share it with you, and we think about it together. It's like a mini news show. Are you ready to get it? So let's check out today's story is why are travelers going to supermarkets now? More travelers are now visiting supermarkets and convenience stores when they go on trips. This is called supermarket tourism. Instead of going to fancy restaurants, people go to local stores to see what everyday food is like. It is a fun way to learn about the country. Travelers like finding snacks and drinks they do not have at home. Sometimes the labels are in another language, which makes it even more interesting. People on social media often share what they find in stores in Japan, Mexico, Italy, South Korea, and Thailand. Each country has special items. In Japan, people love green tea and sake-flavored Kit Kat. In Italy, there is a fresh pasta and yummy bread. Thailand's 7-Eleven is popular for cheap and tasty meal. Tourists enjoy this because it feels more real than regular sightseeing. Going to local stores show what life is really like. As more people want true travel experiences, supermarket tourism keeps growing. Alright everyone, here's one I totally agree with. When I travel, I always check out local supermarket. But you know what? Japan's supermarkets are on a world different level. So many bento, ready-made meals and side dishes, and they actually taste amazing. For someone like me living solo, it's a dream come true and the quality keeps getting better. And don't get me started on the convenience store, the frozen food section. Huge, delicious, cheap. Honestly, better than some restaurants. 7-Eleven has even made 20 times more in frozen food sales over the last 15 years. Just heat in the microwave, done, no effort, no dishes, no girlfriend needed, right? Oh, and if you really want to go wide, check out Depa Chica. This is the fancy food basement in the department store. And the one and only Don Quixote. It's food heaven out there, folks. Oh, by the way, Japanese drugstore cheaper than convenience stores. Total game changer. But hey, more on that next time. You finally arrived in Japan, but where should you go? So many choices, so little time. Lost in the sea of information, aren't you? Worry not, my friend. In this special corner, are you a humble tour guide? I'll take you by the hand and lead you to the must-see places and the must-try experience of Japan. So today is Super Sento. Alright everyone. This is something you really need to know. If you're living in Japan or planning to stay for a while, chances are you'll end up here someday. I am talking about Super Center. It's a big Japanese bathhouse. They are not a normal tourist spot, but I wish they were. These places are everywhere now and they are awesome. You get outdoor baths, saunas, jet baths, stone hot room, all the stuff you can enjoy at home. And the best part, it's a cheap too. Plus, their restaurant, nap room, game corner, even manga lounges. People go with friends, family, and yes, even on dated. Hot water romance, baby. I know some folk aren't used to taking a bath like this, but please give it a try. Trust me, time flies, and once you go, you will want to go again and again, and you will become an addict of it. Actually, now I kinda wanna go myself. Hey, where's my bus stop? Japanese, a language of beauty, elegance, and grace. Its sounds are soft, its rhythm smooth, and within each phrase lies a deep sense of respect and kindness. In this coda, I'll introduce a short Japanese phrase each time explain its meaning, and in the end, we will say it together. A little moment of learning, a little journey into the heart of Japanese languages. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's word is よろしくお願いします. The English phrase regards can be used in a variety of ways depending on the context. For example, please make your imagination. Nice to meet you. It's pleasure to meet you. This greeting also will say よろしくお願いします by Japanese. It works. And some business scene. Oh, looking forward to working with you. I'm looking forward to your support. This is also work. And when you send some business letter, finally you put best regards. Kind regards. Thank you in advance. This means also we can use よろしくお願いします. The meaning よろしくお願いします has many using situation. It's not only one pointed. That's why very useful words. よろしくお願いします. This phrase is very commonly heard in Japanese and it's definitely worth remembering. Okay, time to practice. So, repeat after me. よろしくお願いします。よろしくお願いします。How's it going? Is Japanese tough for you? By the way, just saying お願いします can work like please in English. But we'll get into that next time. Alright everyone, it's that time again. We're at the end of the show. Before we say goodbye, here is a little hot topic from Japan. Lately, there's this video blowing up on TikTok. A European guy in Japan putting a huge speaker like a suitcase, blasting loud music in trance and public place, dancing like a crazy, and ending with a big backflip. Total madness. And of course, Japanese police, they are pretty soft about it. Plus, not many can speak English well enough to stop him. So for now, everyone's just waiting for the trend to die out. Let's hope nothing serious happens. But you know what really makes me mad? Some Japanese people are now copying him, posting the same kind of a video, and yeah, that's going to viral too. It's so lame. No new idea, just copying what popular to get view and make money. Right? Honestly, if social media stopped paying tomorrow, I wonder how many YouTubers and creators would still be around. But hey, I still be here because for me sharing Japan with you all is just pure fun and I learn a lot too. Please keep tuning into my podcast and enjoy the ride with me. よろしくお願いします。Okay, see you next time. The watchword is the Sounds of Japan.